comets and gold. Am I alone? Am I in space here? I always pictured us in somewhere weightless, where we could float and see the glass wave back. She never cold, harder than cold, comets and gold. Am I in space here?
Oh, I'm traveling at the speed of light.